So you guys are going to perform for us a song called Howl.
Absolutely.
What's the skinny behind this song?
It's going to be the B-side for like when we release Follow My Feet as a single.
Okay.
And it's, just a good old-fashioned rock and roll song.
Well, let's get on it.
There we go.
It's 96.3 K-Twin Radio for us.
But my fangs drip when I hear your call. I bring my chains and sink in your skin. Sweet smile is love, I'm a beast again. And I howl for you tonight, for you tonight. And I by the moonlight, you make me run. I'll howl for you, wrapped under the cover of moonlight. Her arms are warm and they hold me tight. That loving smile turns into old teeth. She lays me down, says just feel, don't speak. And I howl for you tonight, for you tonight. And I howl by the moonlight, you make me run. I'll howl for you, I want you tonight. Let me love you like I'm dying, I'm dying. Let me love you like I'm dying, babe. Please forgive me if I lash out. Trapped in this world, this cage of doubt. Your love's the only thing that's true. I know you'll be there to lick my wounds. And I howl for you tonight, for you tonight. And I howl by the moonlight, you make me run. I'll howl for you, let me love you like I'm dying, I'm dying. I don't know what will come after, got no chance to love me faster. And I howl when it all comes to an end, I hope that I'll see you again. And I howl for you.
Woo!